Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about left factoring of grammar. Welcome again, and the next topic here is the left factoring of the grammar. So left factoring is the requirement of a certain parser, and which that parser is nothing but the top down parser. Okay, so we have not started it, but we are just understanding many things about those parsers. Top down parser does not recognize grammar which is not left factored. Okay, so if it is not left factored, top down parser will not recognize it. And the general rule here, the general form of this rule is that let me explain it here, that A derive alpha beta 1, then we have alpha beta 2, and then we have so many alpha beta n, and then finally we have a gamma. Now, what is the key property that we are looking here is that all the production, multiple production, and all of them starts with alpha. Okay, so that is the key property, that multiple production from A, okay, multiple production from A starts with alpha. Okay, starts with alpha. Okay, now what we need to do is that we have to take this common part. Okay, so take the common part. Okay, so take the common part means we have to take this common part, which is alpha, and for uncommon part introduce new non-terminal. Okay, so what we'll do here is that we'll take A and we'll take the common part alpha, and for all the rest of them we'll introduce the new non-terminal A dash, and let the gamma be as it is. It is the responsibility of the A dash to derive this uncommon part. Okay, so that will derive your beta 1 or beta 2 or up to beta n. So that is the rule, and that we call it as a left factoring of the grammar. So where we can apply this here, we can apply it to the production rule. For example, I can write here this example over here, that suppose I have a production, I have a grammar which look like this. Suppose we have A derive A B or A C or B, and it can derive, B can derive, let's say simply small b, and capital C derive, let's say small c. So here you can see here that we can do this left factoring, because here multiple production and there is something common. So what exactly we need to do is we have to take this A and we have to take the common part A, and for the uncommon part we'll introduce the new non-terminal and let the B as it is, and let the A dash derive the uncommon part, which consists of capital B or C, and remaining same. Reason is it's not violating any property. So now we can say that this is a left factoring of this grammar. So this is the grammar, and now this is left factored. Okay, so that's all for this session, and thank you.